Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car trash cans in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car trash cans that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Fancy Mobility Garbage Bag Car Trash Can. Discover the excellence of the Fancy Mobility Garbage Bag that provides leak-proof capabilities and will never spill dirt in your vehicle. The trash will keep your car mess-free, letting you keep your car clean all the time. Moreover, it has a patent-pending design with side clasps to keep the trash securely in place. The trash is large enough and will fit a lot of garbage, yet it has a compact design to fit in your car. Works perfectly in most cars and you can attach it where you need. They are also excellent trash can for Lyft and Uber drivers. Moving on at number 4, we have the Coli Alma Auto Car Trash Bin Vehicle Garbage Can. The Coli Alma Auto Car Trash Bin is one of the best car trash cans thanks to its leak-proof design. It's a high-quality plastic bin that will fit in most cars as it measures 7.2 inches wide by 7 inches tall and has a 1-gallon capacity. Ideally, you will be able to keep soda cans, juice bottles, snack containers, candy wrappers, etc. in their own place, thus keeping your vehicles clean. This bin is easy to clean as you just need to run it under water and then let it dry. The trash bin is suitable for both wet and dry waster, and it is perfect for taxi drivers, new teen drivers, or anyone who spends more time in the car. Besides that, it comes at an affordable price. At number 3, we have the Drive Auto Products XL Waterproof Large Car Trash Can Garbage Kit. https://amzn.to/204 Simplify your modern life with this elegant and waterproof car trash can from Drive Auto Products. It's a large car trash that will keep your car clean. It will hold gallon capacity of garbage and comes with large mesh pockets that you can use to store small items. The trash is made with rugged Oxford fabric and padded walls and will fit in most cars. This trash comes with a cover that is held in place by magnets and will close loosely. The stiff insert band will keep the corners upright, preventing sagging, and the stiff bottom plate will retain its form and shape. At number 2, we have the High Road StashAway Car Trash Can. Do you want your car to be organized, clean and free of trash? High StashAway Trash Can is the perfect solution. It's a 1.5-gallon car garbage trash that will keep all the trash under control. In addition to that, it has a space-saving design and you can attach it to console, keeping it contained and covered. Made with a durable vinyl lining to add stability and structure. For added storage, the trash can features 3 outside pockets that will hold sanitizer, tissues, wipes and more. The trash also made with a durable 500D polyester that is easy to clean and comes with lift-up lids. And finally at number 1, we have the Zone Tech Universal Traveling Black Collapsible Portable Car Trash Can. This is one of the decent portable trash cans for cars in the market. The trash is made of premium quality materials that offer longevity, durability and maximum strength. It's a versatile trash can, is not only used to hold trash but also be used as a storage bag for clothes, toys and anything else you need to put inside. In addition to that, it's a trash can that travelers and drivers must have. This trash bin will take up minimum space in your car, thus it will not take up the leg room. You can use it to dump your unwanted trash, tissues, and wrappers. Ordinarily, the bin is handy and also convenient whenever you want to throw rubbish. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.